Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to BrightLocal for local citation audits and reviews, detailed guide step by step clearly. On the home page, locate the pricing section. Click on the pricing link to view the available subscription plans. Review the different plans offered, focusing on the features that include local citation audits and reviews. Select the plan that best suits your needs. Once you've chosen a plan, click the Get Started button. You will be prompted to create an account. Fill in the required information, including your name and email address. Create a secure password for your new account. After entering your information, click on the Create Account button. Next, you will be taken to the payment page. Enter your payment details, ensuring that all information is accurate. Review your order to confirm that you've selected the correct plan. If you have a discount code, enter it in the designated field. Once everything is confirmed, click on the Start My Subscription button. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after your subscription is processed. Check your email for the confirmation message from BrightLocal. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. After verifying your email, log into your BrightLocal account using your credentials. Now, navigate to the dashboard to access your citation audits and reviews. Explore the various tools available to optimize your local SEO strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.